So here's a little breakdown of what we've got going on so far. Got some tree branches in here, or tree trunks for that matter. Some Bradford pears that were growing out in the tree line there. They're very invasive, so don't feel bad for their sacrifice. But they're said to make pretty good roosts. They say you want something that's at least 1.5 inches in diameter, so these should be pretty perfect. And then they don't want to have too big of a jump from the roost to the floor, so you kind of want to give them a stair step, kind of like I did here. And then the nesting boxes here, we've got 6 along the bottom. So these are attached to this 3/4 inch plywood here, which is removable. So we've got 1 screw here, 1 screw up here, same on the other side, and then this whole thing can come out. I'm gonna have a hinged wall here that's gonna be able to flip up out of the way so we can rake everything out. With that being said, got some brackets here. Found these in the dumpster down the road. But these are holding in this board, so I can pull that out and slide that out of one of the doors here, and then I could rake all the bedding out. It should make that a lot easier. So I also made the board up here. I've got 3 more nesting boxes, and that board there is also removable. So we can rake everything out of that box down into the lower level, and then on out the rest. But yeah, that's what I came up with. I think that'll be pretty functional. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the face here and the hinged door. I think that's gonna be quite the upgrade to this coop, because it was pretty well impossible to get all the bedding out the way they had it set up. So I'm not really sure how they managed to clean it, or if they ever did. It was pretty full of crap. So yeah, let's get back to it. My phone died, so you missed a little bit of the progress, but come along pretty far. Alright y'all, well, that's enough for me today. Just got 12 hours in on this. Just took one little break for lunch, so I'm pretty well starving. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the tools and get some dinner, and then still got a lot of work left to do. Got to fix up the roof, the netting, and button up some of the wire, a couple things like that. But all in all, it was a really good day. So pretty soon we're gonna have some happy chickens and ducks. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.